Hello, children. Today we play Spot the Differences. Look at the two fridges and find what is different. When you find something, we make a big circle. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, here we have two fridges side by side. Let's open their doors and... what can you see? What's different? Can you spot the difference? Hey, I did! I know what's different. Look, in the fridge number 1, the broccoli is big. And what about the fridge number 2? What's in there? You see it. Look at the broccoli. Is it big or small? Yeah, the broccoli is small. Look! Oh, and what a surprise! A dog has come in and taken the big broccoli. I think the dog likes broccoli. Let's find more differences. And now, more fridges. What's the difference? What's the difference? Can you see any difference? Hey, I found it. Look, in the fridge number 4, there are 2 eggs. But how many eggs can you see in the fridge number 3? Yeah, there are just 3 eggs, not 4. Done. We found it. Oh, but wait. What happens? No more fridges? Hey, there's something lining in the fridge number 4. Yes, look at the cheese. What's its color? It is orange. Let me see how's the cheese in the fridge number 3. Is it orange? No, it's not. It is yellow. Now, yes. Can we move on? Whoa, whoa, whoa! A little mouse is here and he's taking all the cheese. Of course, mice really love cheese. 2 more fridges. Look, these ones have no numbers, but they look quite different. One is blue and the other one is pink. Let's see. Can you spot any difference? 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Yeah! Look, in the blue fridge, on the top shelf. Can you see it? Yeah, there we have chicken. But what about the pink fridge? Look at the top shelf. Uh-oh, we don't have any chicken, but we have fish. Yay! And whoa, look at this bird flying. Yay, it just showed up and grabbed the fish itself. Whoa, how many hungry animals we have. Let's go for the final fridges. This time we have a green fridge and a yellow fridge. Can you spot any difference? Look, in the yellow one, the rice bowl is blue. And in the green fridge, how is the bowl? Is it blue? No, it's not. It is red. Yes, it is red. Great job, guys. You found all the differences. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bienvenidos a Funny Friends School, el primer método de inglés público para niños. Si quieres que tus alumnos o tus hijos aprendan más rápido y mejor, solo tienes que seguir nuestro método. Ver 4 vídeos a la semana de 1 a 2 veces para que integren de manera natural el vocabulario y la gramática. Todo está adaptado por etapas y siguen currículums oficiales, haciéndolo muy compatible con todos los programas escolares. Aquí vas a encontrar vídeos creativos para aprender vocabulario de forma algorítmica y súper divertida. Historias interactivas para practicar la producción y leer en voz alta. Y por último, la gramática, explicada de una forma muy divertida. Los niños que ven nuestros vídeos aprenden a hablar y a leer de forma más intuitiva y rápida. ¿Cómo puedes hacerlo? Visita nuestra web. Ahí lo verás todo por niveles, por unidades y por semanas. Muy fácil de seguir. Entra en nuestra comunidad gratis para recibir atención personalizada. Solo tienes que rellenar el formulario que dejamos aquí abajo. Consigue nuestros cuadernos, nuestros libros, tanto en la escuela como en casa, para cerrar el ciclo y practicar un poquito más. Y por último, te puedes inscribir en nuestros cursos online que abrimos 4 veces al año para niños de entre 6 a 12 años. Suscríbete al canal y asegura que los peques aprenden el inglés de la mejor manera que puedes.